What's up guys, Kalen Bryant here for Freedom Life Influencer, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a bit.ly link or shorter link if you have an ugly nasty URL. Okay, it's quick, it's easy, it's simple, and it is free. Okay, so when in affiliate marketing, and by the way, if you like affiliate marketing or if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, if you want to learn how to make a passive income and make money online, you want to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and post a comment below and like this video, because I'm going to continuously pump out videos showing you how to create a life of freedom, fulfillment, and passion. Alright? You should not wait for the life you want, but you should create the life you want. And this channel will teach you how to do that, alright? So go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, back to creating a short link or creating a link that's customized to you and that's not so long, because people, when you promote products or promote links or promote your site or whatever it may be, people will not click on long links, okay? Because it just screams virus, or it screams like, don't click me, right? So you want something that's clickable, something that's relatable, and something that does not look as creepy and fishy as some super long link, right? So for example, let's go into ClickBank, all right? So in ClickBank, let's just pick, I'm in the e-business and e-marketing niche. So let's just pick 5 minutes profit series. It's the first one that comes up. We picked our product. Let's hit promote here. Let's not choose tracking ID. So here's a link, right? So let's say you have cold traffic. You're making a Facebook ad. And by the way, if you want to learn how to make Facebook ads with affiliate marketing, check one of my videos on my channel, and it teaches you how to make Facebook ads quick with affiliate marketing, so that your ad won't get banned, and so that it reaches the most people possible. Okay, but if you're creating a Facebook ad post for this product for 5-minute profit sites, you do not want your traffic to see this long and ugly link. Okay, you just do not want to do that. All right, so in order for it to be shorter and for it to be a little customizable, you want to just go ahead, copy this link. So I'm going Control C, right? Highlight, Control C, and then go to bitly.com. All right, bitly.com, and then you just sign up, right? Sign up is free. I'm telling you, it's free. There's options to upgrade your plan or whatnot if you want to do something and things that are more sophisticated. But just for free, create a short, customizable link. You go to bitly.com and you say create. Sign up, create an account, and create. All right. After you create, you paste that long, ugly link, Control V, which is basically copy paste, a keyboard shortener, right? Control V. And you can see Bitly already picks up what the site is about. The site is a 5-minute profit sites, right? That's our product, 5-minute profit sites. So that's our title or whatnot, because Bitly already recognized it. You can customize it if you want to. That's your option, but I generally don't do that. So you can customize it by after the ly /, you can pick something that's customizable. So let's say your brand, like my brand is Freedom Life Influencer. You can do Freedom Life Influencer, right? Or my name, I can do Kalen Bryant, Kalen B. Or I can do whatever it is. If it's 5-minute profit sales, I can do 5-minute profit sales. See, it's simple, but you want to make it, not so creepy and not so like, I don't know. You don't want your traffic to say, I don't know, I don't want to click this link. You want your traffic to know what the link is about and that it's customizable to you. Okay? Because chances are, if you have your face on video, let's say your traffic is through YouTube. If you have your face on video, most likely your traffic will think, okay, he has his face, showing me his face. Why would he send me to some fishy, or virus site? Because I'm definitely going to come after him. No. So my face is on YouTube. I'm not going to send you to a link that is harmful to you and your computer or your assets or whatever you have. So bitly.com, get the nasty looking link, create, paste the nasty looking link, and then customize your Bitly link a little bit, so that people know that it's directly tied to you, because you establish that trust with them. Make sure that your links are established and trustworthy to them. Okay, so let's bitly.com. Let's just try 5-man profit. All right, and then we're gonna this is my video here. Then we're gonna save. Okay, that one's already taken, which you'll run into. A lot of links have already been taken. Let's do 5. Let's do my initials, KB, 5-man profit. Save. Boom. Done. Bitlink has been edited. Now I can copy it here, or I can share it or whatnot. But all your links will be posted here. If you made a customizable link, it's all posted here. So you go to that link, and here it is. It pops up. Or if I have another one, my Udemy, this is my Udemy link that I created, bit.ly Kalen B Udemy. Right? This is my affiliate link for Udemy, which gets you instant traffic. Right? I don't want people to see this nasty Udemy blah blah blah, blah affiliate link calebbryan2@gmail.com, whatever. I want somebody to see something that's customizable, that relates to me, and that's easy to identify. Say, okay, this site would take me to Udemy. I can learn more about Udemy with this site through me, Caleb, right? So I can copy that link, and let's say I post my Facebook ad and post this link in the Facebook ad, and people will most likely click on that instead of something long and ugly, okay? But back to the 5-minute profits, the same thing. If I'm promoting 5-minute profits, excuse the air, I mean, it's hot here in Chicago. So if I'm promoting 5-minute profits site or 5-minute profit product, I have created my short link through bitly.com, and it's KB 5-minute profit. The person knows that this link takes them to 5-minute profit, and it's through me, Caleb Bryan, okay? Copy that link, post it in your copy of the ad, and boom, done. More people will click it, and you will see that you'll get more and more conversions, whether it's in affiliate marketing, whether it's drop shipping with Shopify, Amazon FBA, whatever it is, okay? You want to make sure you have links that are trustworthy and that does not look scammy, all right? So if you want to learn how to make money online through affiliate marketing, or through Shopify, drop shipping, whatever it may be, I have links in the description to show you how to set your business up online and be successful and consistent and have a sustainable business online, okay? The links in the description will show you step by step how you can create that freedom lifestyle that you want today. Quit 9-to-5 job, have passive income, okay? Go wherever you want to go, see whatever you want to see, for however long you want to be there, for whomever you want to be with. Like guys will tell you, affiliate marketing is the way to go. Click the links in the description or check them out. You don't have to click them, whatever, it's your choice. I don't want nobody clicking them that they do not want to. So just check them out if you want to create a lifestyle that you want. Check them out, step-by-step guide how you can build the business that I'm building right now, and it will show you and take you step by step on how to do it successfully. I'm telling you, successfully. By no means am I a guru, but I capitalize and I take advantage of the opportunities that I've been given. So take advantage of that opportunity, okay? Not only is that my number one recommendation for Make Money Online in the description below, but I also have other resources like ClickFunnels and Aweber. ClickFunnels is a funnel setup that you can set up your funnels with to help you create your business or take it to the next level. Aweber is the same thing. It's an email autoresponder that can help you take your business to the next level and manage your email list. So you hit a button, it sends your emails to your whole list, and you just mass communication with one single button. You can write an email in like 10 minutes, okay? So also it's GetResponse. GetResponse is the same thing as Aweber, but just a different platform. Check those out. Those are 14 free day trials. If you're doing Shopify is also in the link. That's also a 14-day free trial. And also Udemy, you can get instant traffic today. If you want to make clickbait money, if you want to make passive income and get cold traffic to your link or to your site today, Udemy is the #1 source, okay guys? So that's in the link also. Just check them out. You know, it's not a scam, it's not a virus. Just check them out, and no harm. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. If you do, if you want to take your life by the balls, do it. All right? So if you like this video, if you have received some value, make sure you to like this video and comment that you liked it, that you got some value from it, and make sure you subscribe and you hit the notification bell, because you don't want to miss when I come up with daily content teaching you how to create, again, the life of fulfillment, freedom, and passion. Alright, Caitlin Bryant for freedomlifeinfluencer.com, out.